Hello there, I welcome you on my YouTube channel. This is Sanu Kumar. As you will have already seen in thumbnail that we will learn how to use these phrases of at. In this video, I am going to tell you that how to use these phrases of at. We will learn at first, at last, at once, at least, at night, at noon, at home and at the age of. I will also tell you that in which senses do we use these phrases, and I have prepared two sentences as well. I will tell you two sentences to understand one by one. Okay, first of all, I am going to tell you how to use at first. We use at first in the sense of first of all or firstly. We use at first in the sense of शुरू में और सबसे पहले. Here are written two sentences. I will tell you two sentences and I will tell you Hindi one by one as well. So this is my first sentence. At first he went. शुरू में वह गया. At first he went. See second sentence. At first she chose. शुरू में या सबसे पहले वह चुनी. Okay, we use at first in the sense of first of all or firstly. Now I am coming into at last. We use at last in the sense of आखिर में और अंत में. I mean we use at last in the sense of finally. See two sentences. First sentence is at last I could convince her. आखिर में मैं उसे मना पाया. At last I could convince her. Listen second number sentence. At last he understood as well. अंत में वह भी समझा. At last he understood as well. आखिर में वह भी समझा. Okay, I am coming into at once now. We use at once in the sense of hurry or fast. I mean we use at once in the sense of तुरंत. Here are written two sentences. First sentence is at once she escaped. तुरंत वह भागी. At once she escaped. तुरंत वह भागी. At once he ran. तुरंत वह दौड़ा. At once he ran. तुरंत वह दौड़ा. Listen and see. Now I am going to explain how to use at least. We use at least in the sense of कम से कम. Listen two sentences of at least. At least we should use these phrases. कम से कम हमें ये phrases को use करना चाहिए. At least we should use these phrases. Now second sentence. At least she should speak with ma'am. कम से कम उसे मैम के साथ बात करना चाहिए. At least she should speak with ma'am. And I would like to tell you that we can use these phrases before the sentences. Now here are more phrases. I will explain how to use at night now. We use at night in the sense of रात में, रात को. We use at night in the sense of in the night. Listen two sentences. They call me at night. वे भी मुझे रात में फ़ोन करते हैं. I study at night. मैं रात को पढ़ता हूँ. Now understand of at noon. We use at noon in the sense of in the afternoon. We use at noon in the sense of in the afternoon. We use at noon in the sense of दोपहर में, दोपहर को. First sentence of at noon. They also call me at noon. They also call me at noon. वे भी मुझे दोपहर में फ़ोन करते हैं. Here is also a sentence of at night. They call me at night. And here is another sentence. दे ऑल्सो कॉल मी एट नून, वे भी मुझे दोपहर में फ़ोन करते हैं। नाउ सेकेंड नंबर सेंटेंस ऑफ एट नून, ही रेस्ट्स एट नून, वह दोपहर में आराम करता है। नाउ आई एम कमिंग इन एट होम, आई एम कमिंग इन टू एट होम नाउ, वी यूज़ एट होम इन द सेंस ऑफ घर पर। I think you may have already known how to use at home before. However, I am going to explain here. So see two sentences. First sentence is we stayed at home. हम घर पे रहे. Second sentence, Prince is at home. Prince घर पर है. Here are two sentences of at home. Now I am coming into at the age of. This will be the last phrase of this video. We use at the age of in the sense of umr mein. We use at the age of in the sense of umr mein. See and listen two sentences. See and listen two sentences. He started to work at the age of 10. वह 10 साल की उम्र में काम करना स्टार्ट किया. He started to work at the age of 10. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, ही पास्ड अवे एट द एज ऑफ 42, वह 42 साल की उम्र में मर गया. ही पास्ड अवे एट द एज ऑफ 42. आई होप you would have understood by now, and if you like this video, if you have understood this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video with your friends, and if you are a new viewer, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching this video.